Hallo und Servus Deutschstudenten. In this tutorial we will learn two important German verbs, wissen and kennen, which both mean to know. Unlike in English, German has two ways of saying to know. While both wissen and kennen mean to know, they each have different functions. Wissen means to know a fact. For example, ich weiß die Antwort nicht and ich weiß, dass der Film 8 Uhr anfängt. So as you can see in this chart, both are used to express knowledge, or in the first instance, not knowing something. This verb is used if you know basic factual information, such as an address, or a phone number, the time, or how to get from point A to point B, just to name a few. Kennen, on the other hand, means to know or be acquainted with someone, something, or some place. For example, kennst du Martin? Ja, ich kenne ihn. Kennen Sie Berlin? Ja, ich kenne Berlin gut. Now in each of these, our subject ich is expressing to know the individual Martin as well as the city Berlin. This means you know this individual, you've met him, and have become acquainted with him. Same goes for the city of Berlin. Now, while you know them in a sense of becoming acquainted with them, respectively, it doesn't always mean you'll use the verb kennen in all instances of knowing information about them. You may know Martin, ich kenne Martin, but this may also mean you know where he lives. Ich weiß, wo wohnt, meaning you know where he lives, his address, for instance. You may also know the city of Berlin, ich kenne Berlin, meaning you may have visited there or lived there, meaning you've become acquainted with it. But you might know where a particular building is or a historical fact, in which case you'd use wissen. So you have to proceed with a bit of caution when using these verbs. One tip that could be useful is that in many cases the verb kennen would be used when a direct object is involved. Ich kenne Martin or ich kenne Berlin. Okay, let's look at how we conjugate these two verbs. Wissen. You'll see from this chart that wissen has an irregular conjugation form for the first person, ich weiß, second person, du weißt, and third person, sie es, weiß. Notice too that ich and sie es have the same conjugation. The remaining pronouns do not have any stem change. Sie wissen, wir wissen, and ihr wisst. Kennen, unlike wissen, has a regular pattern of conjugating. Ich kenne, du kennst, sie kennen, sie es kennt, wir kennen, ihr kennt, and sie kennen. And this concludes this short tutorial on the verbs wissen and kennen. I hope you've enjoyed getting to know them and will know how to conjugate them accordingly. Bis zum nächsten Mal. Ciao, derweil.